Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the global version, the original, brand new. Top 5 best-selling men's mechanical watch reviews 2025 product on Aliexpress with discount price. Check discount price and buy from description below link. Mechanical watches are not just instruments for telling time, they are timeless statements of craftsmanship, heritage, and personal style. As we step into 2025, the world of horology is witnessing a brilliant blend of vintage aesthetics and modern engineering. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a gentleman seeking your first luxury timepiece, our curated list of the best men's mechanical watches of 2025 has something for everyone. What makes a great mechanical watch in 2025? Before diving into the top picks, it's important to understand what separates a great mechanical watch from an average. 1. Movement precision. High-quality in-house or Swiss movements ensure long-term durability and accurate timekeeping. Craftsmanship, finishing, dial detail, and casing materials elevate a watch from tool to artwork. Legacy. Brands with a rich history in horology tend to offer lasting value. Innovation. New features like anti-magnetic materials, extended power reserves, or hybrid mechanisms are big in 2025. Style. Design should reflect both classic elegance and modern appeal. Rolex Submariner, date 41mm, refreshed classic. Movement. Caliber 3235 automatic. Power reserve 70 hours. Material. Oyster steel with ceramic bezel. Why it stands out. In 2025, Rolex introduces subtle updates to the Submariner. Sleeker lines, improved movement efficiency, and greater magnetic resistance. Price: $10,250. Omega Speedmaster Professional Moonwatch, Coaxial. Master Chronometer. Movement, Caliber 3861 Coaxial. Power reserve, 50 hours. Material, stainless steel with sapphire caseback. Why it stands out: still space-worthy and now even more precise. The 2025 Moonwatch is anti-magnetic and certified by METAS. Price: $7,000. Grand Seiko Heritage SBGA 465. Japanese precision meets elegance. Movement, spring drive 9R65, hybrid mechanical, power reserve 72 hours. Material, high-intensity titanium. Why it stands out: a perfect blend of mechanical soul and quartz precision. The dial detail is mesmerizing. Price: $6,200. Tudor Black Bay 58 GMT, new for 2025. Movement, MT 5652 automatic GMT. Power reserve 70 hours. Material, stainless steel. Why it stands out: a vintage-styled diver with GMT function, perfect for travelers who appreciate rugged design. Patek Philippe Calatrava 6119G, the gentleman's dress watch. Movement, caliber 30 to 255 PS manual wind. Power reserve 65 hours. Material, white gold. Why it stands out: ultra thin, handcrafted perfection, a symbol of refinement. Price: $31,000. Jaeger LeCoultre Reverso Tribute Duo Face. Movement, JLC caliber 854A, 2 manual wind. Power reserve 42 hours. Material, stainless steel. Why it stands out: 2 dials, Art Deco flair, and reversible case make this a collector's favorite. IWC Big Pilot's Watch 43 modern take on a classic. Movement, 82,100 automatic. Power reserve 60 hours. Material, stainless steel or bronze. Why it stands out: bigger than life, but now more wearable in 43mm. Excellent legibility and power. Price: $8,400. Zenith Chronomaster Original, legendary El Primero movement. Movement, El Primero 3600. Power reserve 60 hours. Material, stainless steel. Why it stands out: 1/10 second. Chronograph accuracy. The tri-color subdials remain iconic. Price: $9,000. Oris Big Crown Pointer. Date: affordable Swiss mechanical charm. Movement, caliber 403 automatic. Power reserve 120. Hours. Material, bronze or stainless steel. Why it stands out. Accuracy. Mechanical watches in 2025 continue to uphold tradition while embracing the future. From legendary Swiss timepieces to rising Japanese and microbrand stars, there's never been a better. These choices may be out of date. All of these products may not be in stores. We don't know when this will be back in stock. You need to go Top 5 Best Men's Mechanical Watch 2025 review link to see the most recent updates to the list. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.